Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this very quick video I'm going to answer two questions which I have been asked a couple of times. First, is it possible to use micro-sized models on nano-sized model bays? And similarly, if it is possible to use nano-sized models on micro-sized model bays? I'm pretty sure that you are not going to be surprised that the answer to both questions is yes, as basically both type of models are using the same interface and the only difference between the two is the size of the model and the orientation of the pins that are going to be connected to the radio controller. In order to mount a micro-sized model on a radio controller that is using a nano model bay, you can use this pre-made adapter. After attaching this part to the back of the radio controller, you'll need to connect the pin headers of the radio controller to this connector in the following manner, and after that you will be able to mount a micro-sized model on the back of the radio controller. This adapter was originally designed for the FrSky X-Lite, and it is going to be compatible with most of the radio controllers that are using a nano-sized model bay. However, unfortunately, it is not fully compatible with the nano model bay of the TBS Tango 2. So in order to use a micro-sized model on the Tango 2, you'll need to either adjust this adapter by trimming the plastic parts on the sides of the nano model bay or use your own custom adapter. As for connecting a nano radio transmission module to a radio controller with a standard GR model bay, it can be easily done using this accessory by KremerFPV. After placing it inside the GR model bay, it's going to make your radio controller compatible with every nano radio transmission module that exists on the market, and unlike the previous accessory that I've shown you, it is compatible with every radio controller that is using a standard GR model bay. Anyway, that's going to be it for this very quick video. You can find links for both accessories down below. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.